to a new spot. Robert's going to start on that end. I'm going to start on this end. We're going to work towards each other. Looking for any cute smallsies. I like small. Thank you, honey. It's a nice olive. I think that's a pretty scallop. I should put some of that one right now. Oh, very nice, honey. Thank you. He's doing much better in his pile. Making me feel inadequate. Exactly.
Inexperienced?
No. Tired. I think at this point I'm just tired. I think we're gonna have to go back to the room and get a snack. Otherwise, your wife's gonna be very hangry. Hangry.
What about that?
To this spot. I'm dreaming of cake. We have cake. Bagel.
We have cake.
We do have cake. I'm dreaming of cake. And a Dr. Pepper. Oh my god, a Dr. Pepper.
We are going to go down that pile at light time.
I'm sorry, say it again?
We're going to go to the big pile sometime during this day, right?
Is this not the big pile?
No, I mean the big pile. Like the best pile in the world.
I thought this was the best pile in the world.
We went exploring last night. Remember that?
Yes.
Across a ton of really cool shells.
I thought this was this pile.
Are you serious?
Yes.
So then where's that
Tree, yeah. This is not the pile from last night?
No.
Alright, well then I'm stopping what I'm doing. Are we near this pile from last night?
You're asking questions I don't answer.
I thought this was the big pile. This has been a very nice pile. But I'm ready to move on if you think there's a different pile. This pile's boring though, honey. It's what? It's that tree right there. We should go further down.
The pile we were looking at last night?
Yeah. Positive. Because that was completely covered. It doesn't, everything's more magical at night. Ooh, look at that bird. Let's just go.
Where's that weird stick tree that I said they should chop down?
Right there.
It's too short.
Alright. You hold the bucket. Let's walk down a little bit.
No, it's fine.
No, I do. I'm bored with this pile. Let's walk down a little bit. You look at your marker, see if it shows we're there, close to it. It's just, I mean, shell piles look a lot better when they're wet, that's for sure. Am I right? Is this it? It does, because the tide is out. And last night when we walked it at 5 and 6, it was high tide. This is low tide. Sorry, what? I'm sorry, honey. It just comes to show that sometimes high tide is better because it washes them up. So let's just go to the next, on the other side of that tree, and then we'll turn around. Robert, are you gonna cry?
No, but I would plan on staying down to this end because I like this.
No, and it wasn't. I would rather stay at the West One Inn. Yes, yes it is. Yes it is. I know, I'm sorry. Is that wall broken? Is that why no one's taking it? Look, no one's touching that wall. I'm sorry, honey. Just crushed all his hopes and dreams. He thought there was another shell pile. No, honey, it's because it does look better when the water's coming out. You know what I'm saying? We will go shelling tonight after dinner. I'm absolutely 100% positive this is the area I found that Tim Hotel last night. Piece of it.
Always something. Isn't it pretty?
It is very pretty.
Man, I thought I had something there.
I think that's a piece of a tiger paw.
Tiger paw? Alright, there ain't nothing there.
Sorry, honey.
Alright.
Do you want to turn around? Or you want to... Yeah, you hold the bucket. Let's walk through. Let me walk through this
I want to walk
tide.
to the hotel though.
Sure. But I want to walk through this tide pool right here. Make sure we're not missing. It did, honey, and I absolutely 100% agree with you. You probably want to stay on that side because this is looking... Okay, we'll stay up there. It's looking a little pretty... It's looking a little gross. It looks a little... It is a little gross. A little green.
I kind of like nighttime better than look.
I do too. And I kind of like night shelling better. Yes, we are going out. We will not be tired because we would have had a nice dinner. So we're not shark fishing. You didn't bring your you did not bring this fishing pole. Honey, it's because we didn't get distracted. We had a mission. We knew we wanted to come to this pile. But there's also a pile closer to our hotel, and that's the one this is what we'll do tonight. We'll go to that. I mean, basically there's piles everywhere. No, we're not going to go to Dock Ford because by the time we get to the room, it's going to be like 1. We'll eat the cake. You know what? We'll eat the cake, and I know what we'll do. I'll put my tennis shoes on, and we'll go hunt for alligators.
Alligators?
Yeah.
You haven't come in?
No, I didn't. No. Okay, we will look for alligators.
I didn't bring my 22 with me.
Look for alligators. Is that better?
Yeah.
Jeez Louise, Robert. I don't really mean like hunt. I don't think I could ever do something like that. Like hunt out, kill an alligator.
I can kill an alligator.
I could not.
I just think of how many dogs that they've eaten and how ignorant they are. Oh yeah, they're hungry. I know. They've committed crimes against humanity. That's just the way I look at it.
All right, Robert.
They have it coming. What are they doing? What else they got to eat? They don't have to eat those dogs.
I agree. Nope, they don't have to.
But that leaves them.
It's a little gross. I don't want one that's covered in green. I realize it could be cleaned up, but that seems a lot of work.
Kitchen beach it.
Could I peach it?
Could you peach this?
Look at that one. That's a pretty one.
That's a beauty. Very nice. Very, very nice.